Hello all. The home design concept in this video is unique home design. This house has a swimming pool in the middle of the house. This house has only one bedroom. The bedroom is located in the back part of the house. There are two bedroom doors. One door access from the living room and one door directly facing the swimming pool. There are glass fence divide room and swimming pool. Swimming pool in the middle of the house, living room on the left, kitchen and dining room on the right side. This house design is suitable for those of you who love to swim. Every time you wake up, you can open the door and you can swim instantly. The house design was created specially dedicated to those of you who are bored with ordinary floor plan.